Hey, hi Jeet.
Hi.
How long you're doing your workouts?
It has been a month now, 30 days,
Okay.
and I'm feeling good.
I think you're doing swimming also.
Yeah, I'm doing that also to de stress myself. And there was some discontinuation of learning swimming in the year 2019, so I want to learn also. And I want to say that this is water is a good therapy
Okay.
to lose weight and to make our body more flexible and actually for the de stress.
Previous back you done with your swimming classes. This is the first time you are doing in the.
I did a week in 2019.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
now it has been 18 days for learning swimming.
Gym also.
Yeah.
I think how long you are doing exercise in gym? How many hours?
Like sometimes it will be 2 hours or 2.5 hours if I'll do complete exercise.
Okay.
Uh,
How,
Swimming I'll do more than 1 hour and 1.5 hours. That's
how
it.
you are balancing swimming and gym?
Because I want to add fitness in my life routine, which was not added previously, and I faced a lot of health issues because of fitness. That's why I want to add fitness first
Okay.
in my life routine.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
Previous back you have any health issues?
Yes, I have several health issues because it was a so stressful life I was living in,
Okay.
and it was because of stress we'll get so many health issues like thyroid. Like if you have thyroid, your endocrine system will slow down. It will not give you the energy to do so many things. And I choose a lifestyle and a profession which is related to stress actually, because I'm a counselor,
Okay.
uh, to counsel people to settle abroad. I'm a relationship advisor and a grief and bereavement counselor.
Okay.
So I am meeting people those are not doing good in their life.
Okay.
They to come out of that stress. I'm helping them, and that because of lack of exercise and fitness and meditation, I was not able to delete those words which I was consuming from the people at the time of counseling. So it affected my health a lot,
Okay.
and I had been through many surgeries and many health issues. So there was no time actually to think about fitness. Then I have come into a conclusion like I should add the fitness as a first part of my life, then my profession,
Okay.
because I'm not doing it for money. I'm doing it as a social service opportunity, for like a service part of responsibility to my society.
You want to continue gym?
Definitely, I'll continue.
Okay, okay, superb.
Yeah.
Finally, what you want to say about your fitness journey?
I would like to say yes, it has been late, but it's not too late. I added it in my routine, and it really I will enjoy, and I'm enjoying it. I
Oh,
feel good, I feel healthy.
okay. I think you met with any surgeries or what?
Yes, I have been through 3 surgeries in pandemic, like this year only,
Okay,
and I survived twice from COVID.
okay,
And because of that, my system was totally slowed down,
okay,
and I was developing with so many allergies because of immunity, and because of low immunity, we can have several issues.
okay,
Whatever is going in there, we will catch like weak immune system.
okay.
So exercise is important part of that to beat these health issues and to improve our immunity.
But you are not at all looking like a cancer patient.
I'm not a cancer patient. I'm a survived person.
Okay, okay, okay. What you want to suggest the cancer patients from your side?
See, one thing, when we will start our life and we decide to settle abroad, there will be no time, because it is a opportunity to grab.
Okay,
It's a competition to earn more money,
okay,
to come to our dreams. We have to work more and more. I think all the people who are settled abroad, they will work 16 to 18 hours initially in their beginning, and they will not have time for their food, because I have seen they will eat food while walking. There is no proper sleep. Only dreams are there to fulfill, right? And that is also okay. So in that system, we will try to consume more instant food, more tetra packed juices, everything instant, right? Because lack of time. So that's the main reason
Okay.
for the health issues. I want to suggest.
But you are very busy now. How you are taking the time for your fitness journey?
I have to take, because if I am no more, who will do this work?
Okay.
To make myself alive,
Yes.
I should be fit. I should save money from the medical bills, that I can help more people, right?
Yes. Yes. Right now you are working. Otherwise you are giving a holiday.
I'm on 6 week off.
Okay. Okay. How long you are staying here then?
I'm staying here from last 45 days.
Okay. I think you especially you came for the fitness only, no?
Yes, especially for the fitness, because it was not the part of my life. And
Okay.
after surgery and survived from surgeries and COVID, I feel so weak. It infected my eyes also. Was not able to do the things properly. I thought and I decided to leave everything as it is, to make myself fit, because it was not my routine and I
Oh.
was not used to. So I came to this place in a 5-star hotel,
Yes.
like, because I can afford it. So like I can do exercise, I can do whatever fitness things, and I can take rest, and I'll get proper food also here, because there is nobody in India to take care of me. I don't have any.
But you lost your color now in swimming. How do you feel?
See, there is one thing after surgery. While surgery, they removed my endocrine system and hormone imbalance. That is the one reason. Other reason is the pool, the water, the chemical water, and I have the allergies with chemical. I lost my color and it already spoiled my face, and I hope it's going to spoil my whole body. But water, swimming is a good uh, fitness and a part of de-stressing ourselves if we are living in a stressful life. So that will be the part of my life, though it's like I have lost my color, like I have got sunburn and all.
Even though you are doing, it's a very great.
Yes, even though I'm doing, that's good. And to get something, we have to lose something, right? I lost my color. I'm already like, I don't want to lose my fitness. And I feel it's okay to lose color.
It's a more inspiration to all humans, housewives humans who are not even doing any exercise.
See, life was not the bed of roses for me. It was from the beginning, right? From the beginning, I started my life at the age of 19. It was difficult, like it should be difficult life for all of us, to struggle to get whatever we want in life. And because we are belongs to a medium class family, and we were having big dreams, right?
Yes.
And there was a big shift after marriage and after having children. And it was a great challenge. It was a big challenge to settle abroad, to establish ourselves. So there was no time for fitness. That's what I have said earlier in this video. Like, people, they will spend more time to make money. They don't spend time to have good sleep, to have good fresh food. uh, I think they should add that.
Okay,
in
you're
their-
basically you're from which place?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, you born and brought up in Hyderabad?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay. Where do you stay?
That I don't want to say here.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah.
Finally, what you want to say our viewers?
I want to say, like, everybody, parents should give the education to their children in the early age to fitness. If they are fit, they can do many things, right?
Yes.
I have seen in India, parents and schools are concentrating on education only. Fitness is not their part of education, right?
Yes.
So people are becoming sick at the age of 22, 23. I'm witnessing many heart attacks, many other health related issues which are not there in abroad. That I want to say, like China and Japan. Japan added in the nursery only, to their young kids, uh, to have fitness routine and healthy diet style. That's why they are fit, very much fit. They are so much healthy. They are doing more than 18 hours work also, and they're living healthy lifestyle.
You're taking any special diet?
No, I'm not taking any special diet, but yes, I'm taking more protein and fiber in my diet
Okay.
to balance my food routine.
Any result you got?
Result, I can say I am feeling more energetic, more confident. Like previously, I was only thinking I was surrounded with doctors and medicines. It was starting from the morning, wake up, and ending up with the sleeping time. So I have decided, and it's a challenge for me to remove, to eliminate all the medicines one by one from my daily life.
Okay. Finally, what you want to say about your fitness journey?
I just wanted to say everybody should have a fitness routine. They should think about their fitness. They have to add exercise and good healthy, fresh food in their life to be healthy. If you're healthy, you will work more. If you will work more, you will earn more. And we will have a healthy society and there will be no stress. I want to delete problem and stress from from the dictionary of
Okay.
life. There should be no word called stress and problem.
Okay.
Yeah, if we are healthy, that automatically it will disappear.
Okay. Thank you for spending a good quality time with us.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.